Hello friends, welcome to our channel Tutorial Help Course. Please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get more and more videos and their notification. Today we will talk about locust attack in India 2020. Among poorer nations, a locust infestation means a serious threat to food security. According to United Nations Food and Agriculture Organization, that is FAO, estimates a locust can eat the same amount of food in a day as half the population of France. Having arrived in India through Iran and Pakistan, the locusts had not just registered their presence in the border states of Rajasthan and Gujarat, but in the interiors of Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, and Madhya Pradesh as well. The FAO said much of these movements were associated with strong westerly winds from Cyclone Amphan in the Bay of Bengal. While the Rabi crops recently harvested survived the onslaught, the locusts took a heavy toll on India's kharif produce. It was a grave prospect for farmers. The Rajasthan government made an emergency plan to deal with it, and preparations were being made to spray insecticides from drones in remote areas. This locust attack affected about 90,000 hectares across 20 districts in Rajasthan. In 2019, mature locusts entered parts of India after a gap of 26 years, but the locusts that had come in 2020 were immature. Immature locusts are not fully grown and have the capacity to cause more harm. They also have a longer lifespan. The locusts which entered India were about 10 to 12 days old and were flying huge distances in search of food. The size of these swarms can vary from less than 1 square kilometer to several hundred square kilometers. Drones had been deployed for controlling locusts in Rajasthan. A drone can spray pesticides on nearly 2.5 acres during a flight of 15 minutes. In Uttar Pradesh, local villagers had been asked to make noise by beating thalis and bursting crackers. The United Nations Food and Agriculture Organization had warned more such attacks along both sides of India-Pakistan border. Thank you very much for watching this video.